Hi, I'm Wes from Wes Ward Auto Repair, 1193 Portland Street in St. Johnsbury. I'm here today to talk to you about engine oil. And there's probably a lot of confusion as to what type of oil that you need for your car. As you can see behind me, there's several different weights of oil, and the weight of the oil, like this oil here is a 5W30. That means that when the oil is cold, it's at a 5 weight, which means the thickness of the oil. As it warms up and it gets thicker to a 30 weight oil. It's critical that you have the correct oil in your vehicle, and if you're not sure about what oil to put in your vehicle, look in the owner's manual. It will tell you exactly what you need. The specifications are on the back of every bottle, so if you're not sure if it's an SN oil that you need, make sure that the oil that you're looking at has that designation on there, and you'll be okay to use that in your car. So oil has 3 different purposes within your engine. First thing it does, obviously, it lubricates the engine. It also helps to cool the engine, and it keeps it clean. So oil has to keep your engine clean, and the oil filter is one of the most critical parts of that equation. Every oil filter, regardless of brand, stops working at 5,000 miles. It's already done all it can do. It's filtered out all the debris out of the engine oil that it can filter. So after 5,000 miles, it's just recirculating dirty oil through your engine. So you want to make sure that you keep your engine keep the oil changed, and make sure that you change it within 5,000 miles if you use a synthetic oil. If you're using a conventional oil, you should change it every 3,000 miles. If you're not sure what you use in your car, we'd be happy to answer that question. At Wes Ward Auto Repair, when we change your engine oil or transmission fluid, we recycle all of the fluids that we take out of your vehicle. Behind me is a 2,000-gallon oil storage tank. We burn all of our waste oil. We heat the shop with waste oil. We have furnaces that are EPA approved. They're UL approved. They're 97% efficient. So we burn all of our oil to keep the guys nice and warm during the winter time. So you can be assured that at Wes Ward Auto Repair, we recycle everything that comes out of your vehicle, whether it's brakes, fluids, or batteries. We recycle everything. So if you have any questions about anything that comes out of your vehicle or off of your vehicle and what we do with it, please visit us at 1193 Portland Street, or you can visit us online at wesward.com.